You need to watch this if you struggle with publishing your research. Publishing your work can be a daunting task, filled with numerous challenges and potential pitfalls. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the process. Let's dodge those common pitfalls together. By understanding and adhering to publication ethics, you can ensure your research is respected and valued in the academic community. Publishing research is a huge milestone, but there are ethical pitfalls you need to dodge. First up, plagiarism. Plagiarism is not just copying someone else's work. It also includes not properly citing sources or presenting others' ideas as your own. Always cite your sources and give credit where it's due. Proper citation is crucial in maintaining the integrity of your work and respecting the contributions of other researchers. It's not just about avoiding trouble, it's about respecting the work of others. Next, authorship. Authorship should reflect the true contributors to the research. Only include individuals who have significantly contributed to the research. Adding honorary authors? Big no-no. Honorary authorship undermines the credibility of the research and the efforts of those who actually did the work. It's unfair and unethical. Ensure that all listed authors have made a substantial contribution to the conception, design, execution, or interpretation of the research. Third, data fabrication and falsification. This involves making up data or altering results to fit a desired outcome. Tempting as it may be to tweak data for better results, it's a fast track to losing credibility. Fabrication and falsification can lead to severe consequences, including retraction of published papers and damage to your reputation. Always present your data truthfully. Accurate and honest reporting of data is the foundation of scientific integrity. Lastly, conflicts of interest. These can arise when personal or financial interests could potentially influence the research outcomes. Be transparent about any financial support or personal connections that might influence your work. Full disclosure helps maintain trust and transparency in your research. Disclosure helps maintain trust in your research. It ensures that your findings are viewed as unbiased and credible. So, remember, cite your sources, be honest with authorship, present truthful data, and disclose conflicts of interest. These principles are the cornerstone of ethical research and publication. Stick to these principles, and you'll navigate the publishing world with integrity. Upholding these ethical standards will not only enhance your reputation, but also contribute to the advancement of knowledge in your field. Good luck and happy publishing! Remember, ethical research is the key to a successful and respected academic career.